So for this extreme test, once again, our 56 watt Hydroshot. I've got the red tip and I've got my orange tip, just in case. So this is what we're going to be doing. It's just cleaning that out and then flicking it over the other side and giving that a good blast as well. Now, one problem with this Hydroshot I can really find, and it's nothing to do with the gun at the moment really, but it's that pipe. Let's have a look and see exactly what I'm talking about. It keeps getting tangled. I have got a solution, by the way. It's using a product from a pressure washer, and it's like a little sleeve that fits on the bottom of the WORX Hydroshot, and it'll stop all this. Anti-tangle. Well, it's that time in the video. If you'd like this video, please subscribe. Now you're wondering how to get the white almost white. It's grotty, isn't it? So I'm using this product. It's Citron. It's actually for a car, and this is from Easy. Cheap and easy, to be honest. We'll spray it over, leave it 10 minutes, and then just take it straight off. Get it on both sides. Now you will see this product starting to work. It eats into all types of mud and rubbish. It's just breaking down the dirt. It is that easy. From Easy. Then you just turn it over and do exactly the same on the other side. So we'll start at this end, put our citrons in. The orange and green tips don't work as well as the red tip. And the OM part, well, that's just a total waste of time, really. Okay. You're not going to get this spotless because it's thick grime all the time. So I think you'll agree that is a lot better than it was originally. Well, there you folks. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little video. It just shows you another purpose of the WORX Hydroshot. One main thing with this, I'll bang on about this 24/7. Though this is 56 bar, it does lose power, all right, through a period of time, okay? And you'll be using it and suddenly it's dropping off. It could be one of two reasons. Obviously the battery's full, so it's not that. Sometimes it could be just to do with the motor inside. I'm guessing it could just overheat. Now I don't know that, but you have got vents on the top here to stop that. But if that's one of the things, I don't know. And if you like this type of video, please subscribe and please share. Laters! But before we start, I am going to put a pre-wash over them first, which will help to clean it. Now I've got my